This sessions we're going to see the lessons one from that grade 6 Bade Chalos, keep moving forwards. The poems encourage the children to be inspired by nature and to keep moving forward in their life. And also they teach them about the selfless service to the nature, selfless service of the nature, and motivates them to bring happiness into everyone's lives. The main and the core theme of the poems are the desire to create something new, a feeling of being aware, and the idea of working for the welfare of everybody's. So let's come to the poems. पार्वती जैसे शीश उड़ाते अड्डिंग कड़ा संदेश सुनाता शीश उड़ाकर बड़े चलो नन्हे कदम कदम नन्हे कदम बढ़ाकर बड़े चलो बड़े चलो. So the poet starts that lessons to compare with the mountains. Like the mountains, raise your head, standing strongly. It gives a message. Adinkada means stand firmly, stand firmly. Kada means stand. Adding means firm, strongly. Firm, stand firm. It gives a message. Sis udakar bade chalo, nange kadam badakar bade chalo. Give the message, raise your head and keep moving forward with the confidence. Even taking the small steps, nange kadam badakar, by taking the small steps, keep moving forward, keep moving forwards. So this stanza, the poet is telling the children to be like a mountain. A mountain stands tall and firm, giving a message of strength and stability. So the poet is encouraging the children to stand tall with their heads held, high thoughts and high actions, and to keep moving forward in life, even if they have taken small steps. So now come to that next stanzas. जर ने भगते सरस मधुर संगीत सुनाते लगर की बात गुनो बड़े चलो. So the waterfalls. Now the second stanza we come to the waterfalls. The waterfalls flow with the sounds of jar. That one of the clattering sounds. Saras madhur sangeet sunate. So the sounds are seen that the sweet and pleasant sounds. They sing a sweet and pleasant song. Saras madhur sangeet song. Saras madhur sweet and pleasant. Lagar ki baat guno. It's listen the message of each waves. Bade chalo. So keep moving forward and keep moving forwards. How the waterfalls are filled with their streams, full of the streams. So the poet asked the children to learn from the waterfalls. Waterfalls make a sweet and pleasant sounds as they flow. The poet is saying that every part of the nature, like the waves of the waterfall, is a lesson to teach. The children should listen to these lessons and keep moving forward, progressing. So next stanzas. सूरज रोज उजाला लाता अंधकार डरकर छिप जाता बनकर ज्योति जले चलो बड़े चलो. The sun brings the light. The sun brings the brightness every day. To bring the light every day, and the darkness hides in the fears. When the sun rises, the darkness or fear and hide itself. So you to be become a flame. Bankar jyoti jale chalo. You to become a flame and keep burning. Bade chalo. Keep moving forward and keep moving forwards. So this stanzas the poet example with the sun. The sun brightens, brings the light and makes the darkness disappears. So the poet is encouraging children to be like the sun and become a source of light, source of knowledge for others, and spreading knowledge and hope to everybody around us. So next stanzas. कली कली सुगंध फैलाती सबके मन में खुशियां लाती सबके बने चलो बड़े चलो. So now come to that flowers. The poet come to the flowers. Each buds of the flowers spreads its fragrance, perfumes. It brings the happiness to everyone's heart and those are smelling or seeing the flowers. So खुशियां सबके बने चलो. So you be a happiness. You make a happiness to everyone's. Keep moving forwards. Keep moving forwards. So kali, birds, sugandh, fragrance, kushal, happy, one mind. So in this final stanza, the poet talk about the flowers. Compare with the flowers. A flower buds, blooms and spread its scent, making everyone's happy. So the poet is telling the children to also spread happiness to everyone and be a reason for their joy as they move forward in their life. So now come to that poet. The poet Bade Chalo was written by Sangyukta Rudra. She encouraged the children to take inspiration from the natural selflessness and to spread happiness and light. The lesson, the poet, throughout the poet, teach these things only.